Experience a thoughtfully designed 2.5 BHK Jodi flat offering modern comfort and style. Let's explore sample flat with 1029 square feet of carpet area. A spacious living room greets you with comfortable seating on two sides and a dining area opposite. Perfect for relaxed family gatherings. The living room extends to a wide and long balcony, providing an ideal outdoor space to unwind after a long day. The first bedroom, currently designed as a kitchen, features windows that flood the space with natural light, ideal for a cheerful atmosphere. Conveniently located and accessible from the common areas, this bathroom is both functional and stylish. This room also has French windows and includes a wardrobe niche for added storage, offering a comfortable and private retreat. The first master bedroom comes with an attached bathroom, providing a luxurious touch for your everyday routine. An L-shaped two-sided kitchen offers ample space for cooking and storage, making meal prep a breeze. The largest room in the apartment, with big French windows that ensure plenty of natural light, making it the perfect sanctuary. The second master bedroom is complete with an attached bathroom, enhancing the luxury and comfort of the space. Truly a personal oasis.